Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove your account as a business account or a professional account on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, you can very easily change that mode at any single time, and you need to access your business tools on Instagram. For that, firstly, you need to go into your profile icon in the bottom right, then click on the top right on the three bars, and then scroll down until you see business tools and controls. Just click on them and then scroll down. Now, near the bottom of the page, as you can see, the fourth option from the bottom is switch account type. You're just gonna want to click on that. Then you get these two options. You can see you can switch to a personal account or to a creator account or a professional one or a business one. Since I am already a professional or business account, as you can see, I don't have that option. But to switch it off, you can either go to creator account, or if what I'm thinking that you would like more is to switch to a personal account, so just press that. Then you'll get this here pop-up where it says that all your insights will be turned off and all previous insights will be deleted, so do so at your own discretion. But then you just have to tap on switch to personal account again, and your account will now be a personal account and not a professional one anymore. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.